Okay, this is Gimbal wire. Okay, collect this. Okay, and now you can put it, insert it here, and or attach it here. Okay. Now make it level. The gimbal level. This is 2S battery. Okay. Make it level. Okay. Light flash. Okay. Okay, now it works well. Okay, you see here, the first one, you use a servo wire, connect to servo, connect to your servo or one channel or your radio. The first one, you see, you can control pitch motor. Okay. Okay. Now, the second one, you can control lower. You see? So you can choose 2 channels of your receiver and radio and control it. Okay, this way. Okay.